Hi, in this video, we'll show you how and why to perform a wheel alignment check using the Tru-Point system. One of Tru-Point's biggest advantages is how fast and simple this check is. You follow the guided steps, just like you would for a calibration, and Tru-Point will generate the alignment results. A wheel alignment check is extremely important. If the vehicle's thrust angle isn't correct, systems like cameras and radar may not work at all, or they may operate incorrectly. The risk isn't just a warning light. It can mean late braking, poor lane guidance, or unexpected behavior on the road. In this example, the thrust angle is within spec. Some manufacturers don't only require the thrust angle to be within specification, they require a full four-wheel alignment after a collision. These wheel alignment procedures are critical for both the customer and the shop. Better safety, fewer comebacks, and clear documentation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.